Okay, I'm all done gluing, so now I'm going to take off the stickers off of the pieces that are bandaged together. I got this X-Acto knife. I like the X-Acto knife because you can change blades, and this one has a small wedge, really easy for taking stickers off. You can see that? These are the perfect tools to remove the stickers. So now I'm going to take all of the stickers off of the pieces that are bandaged. So that's basically how you do it. I'm going to do it to all of the pieces. Okay. What I figured out to take the glue off the top is to use isopropyl alcohol and Q-tips and a Dremel. I have this Dremel, and has different settings and speeds, and on the end I have polishing wand, and what I do is take a little bit isopropyl alcohol and a Q-tip and you cover the top of the puzzle piece a little bit. You set the speed for the wand at about 2. And you polish off the piece. That. And that gets all the glue off of it. The last of the glue that I have on the units is after I polished them with the Dremel and the isopropyl alcohol, just a very thin amount of glue left on the surface. That's from the residue that couldn't be polished off with the Dremel. So what I do is I take cotton balls like this and take goof off. I don't know if you can see this. I buy goof off and spray it on the cotton ball. And you take the thin film off of the surface of the puzzle pieces, and that gets the last of the glue off, and then it's all nice and shiny and there's no residue there, so that the putty will stick to the surfaces a lot better. You have to be careful that doesn't get any strands of cotton inside of the cracks. But that takes care of the last of the residue. And The next video will be filling in the cracks with putty.